Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India, the birthplace of millionaire startups, is the home to the most trusted edtech firm, Learnyst. What started in a small room with a couple of dedicated talents is now a huge online platform helping thousands of educators.
Our primary goal was to help teachers teach online without worry of technology. That's where everything started.
Welcome to Learnyst. This is a place where educators' dream is crafted.
When we started designing the office, we wanted it to be very collaborative, filled with positive energy and with happiness.
Our launch welcomes you with a lush green view and Learnyst wall with our 9 core values crafted in frames. Coming onto the workspace, this is where the magic happens. We have all our teams working here. The dev team, app team, testing team, the support team, the marketing team and the business development team. Our office is airy and bright with an open concept design which makes collaboration easy.
So we also have a discussion hub. That's where we get together, have a meeting and brainstorm on some of our amazing features. Focus Pod helps us to work on the ideas without any distractions.
The boardroom. This is where big deals happen. We have weekly and daily meetings over here. We also have client calls, host our guests, and have private meetings in this space. Coming on to the pantry. The pantry is never out of snacks for the whole year. We go get some coffee, get some snacks, and hang around.
Hey bro, which is your favorite spot in your office?
It's a play area.
This is the place where we hang out, play and have fun. We have foosball, table tennis, billiards and caroms. When we are out of ideas or just need a break, we come, relax, play and get back to work.
Going on to the dining space. Our dining area is in an open space with fresh air. We usually have our food here and this is where celebrations or parties happen.
So this was the tour of Learnyst HQ. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you soon.